Zettlr is making waves as a free writing app tailored for researchers, but does it live up to the hype? With so many options out there, is this the tool that can boost your productivity or just another app that falls flat? Let's dive in. Zettlr positions itself as a robust writing tool specifically designed for researchers and academics. It combines markdown support with a clean, intuitive interface that feels very user-friendly right from the start. You can organize your notes, manage citations, and even export your work in various formats, which is a big plus for anyone juggling multiple projects. One of the standout features is its integration with reference management tools, allowing you to easily pull in citations. This can be a real time saver, especially when you're working on extensive research papers. However, I did notice that while the app is visually appealing, there are aspects that could be clearer, like the learning curve for new users. Some features might take a bit of time to get accustomed to, which could be frustrating for those who want to hit the ground running. Overall, Zettlr seems to offer a solid foundation for researchers, but some areas could use a bit more polish. Now, let's break down what works and what doesn't with Zettlr. On the plus side, it's completely free, which is a huge draw. The markdown support and citation management are excellent for researchers, and it has a clean, modern interface that makes writing enjoyable. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users might find the lack of advanced editing tools a bit limiting, especially if you're used to more feature-rich apps. Also, there's limited community support compared to larger platforms, so if you run into issues, finding solutions might take some time. Trust signals are a bit weak too, as it's not as widely recognized as other writing applications. In short, while Zettlr has strong potential, it may not suit everyone's needs, particularly those looking for a more comprehensive writing suite. In conclusion, Zettlr is worth trying if you're a researcher looking for a free, straightforward writing tool. It's especially beneficial for those who need citation management without the clutter. However, if you require more advanced features or extensive support, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a solid choice for the right audience.